I think that since I started meditating, I have a different appreciation of what is eternal and what is passing. What does universe mind mean to me? What am I truly grateful for? To me, the universe includes my family, which is eternal. I may or may not be here, but it is eternal. And the love that people have for me and me for them is eternal. It's universe. It lasts. It will outlast me. I am grateful for the world, for the earth. I notice the sky. I feel the sun and see the sun differently. I'm grateful for it. I appreciate it.
Yeah, in terms of gratitude, I feel like before I started meditation, I don't think I was ever truly grateful. I would be glad things happened, and I would say thank you when I needed to, but all it did was I feel like add to my ego or pride when good things would happen, and then when bad things would happen, I would feel really bad. Ever since starting meditation, I realized I'm thankful. I'm actually thankful when good things happen. I'm thankful for the very mundane things, and I'm also thankful for when bad things happen, because every bad thing that happens is a chance to learn.
Saying thank you has become one of my mantras. Whenever I start thinking of this gift of meditation that has come to me, all I can do is say thank you, because it has made all the difference beyond my imagination of living this life. Living it without the burden of self and delusions is incredible. It's why we're here. So thank you.